Hiya, we're Beth and John from Fresh Start Living. We're an interior design team based in Leeds. We set up the business in 2018, so 8 years ago now.
So the projects we work on is the full spectrum of interior design. We do the more architectural side, which is sort of the space and layout planning. We design kitchens, bathrooms, extensions, things like that. And then all the way through to mood boards, visualization, product lists. So really end to end, and then help people make it happen.
We got to know about Mayfair when we first started the business and were looking to work with local suppliers who could specialise in various products for kitchens, bathrooms and other parts of the home. We've been working with Mayfair for pretty much all of the 8 years we've been going, and it's worked really well, so we keep working with them and it just works.
So we like working with Mayfair for a few reasons. One is the team, really responsive, they understand what we're looking for, quick turnarounds, we want samples, so they send them out really quickly. Really nice people when they come to template, to fit, so yeah, it just works for that, and they're a good team to work with. And the range, we want a selection of products and they have a good range, so again, all the kind of mood boards we pull together, there's something there that we want to recommend to clients.
If another designer asked us whether we'd recommend Mayfair and what we'd say about them, we'd absolutely wholeheartedly recommend working with them. We know that the people are great, the customer service is great, the product is great, so there's no reason why, if another designer wanted to start working with them, why we wouldn't recommend them.